This week we will meet the characters Kate, Dave, Liz, and Tuck. They like to go on trips together. What will they do? Will they have fun? We will have to learn some words and skills before we read so we can find out what these characters do. First, we have to learn our new high frequency words. The first word is always. Say the word always. I always brush my teeth after breakfast. Say the word again after me. Always. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always ends with S. In the word always, the letter S stands for the sound Z. Think of another word that ends with S. Schools, maybe? All right, so let's skywrite the word always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Okay, close your eyes and try to write it without looking. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Very good. Our next word is began. Say began. The fireworks began after it got dark. Say the word again after me. Began. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. B-E-G-A-N. In began, the letter E stands for the short I sound, I, and the letter A stands for the short A sound, A. Blend each syllable with me. B, I, G, A, N. Began. Now skywrite the word began. B-E-G-A-N. Try to write it without looking. B-E-G-A-N. Your next word is better. Say the word better. I think grapes taste better than peaches. Say the word again after me. Better. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. B-E-T-T-E-R. The first E stands for the short E sound, eh. The letters E-R stand for the sounds, Blend each syllable with me. B-E-T-R. Better. Now skywrite the word better. B-E-T-T-E-R. Try to write it without looking. B-E-T-T-E-R. Our next word is gives. Say the word gives. My uncle gives me good advice. Say the word again after me. Gives. Look at the letters in the word. Spell it with me. G-I-V-E-S. In gives, the letter I stands for the short I sound, I, and the E is silent. Blend the word with me. G, I, V, Z. Now gives. Now skywrite the word gives. G-I-V-E-S. Try to write it without looking. G-I-V-E-S. Your next word is hurt. Say the word hurt. I fell and hurt my knee. Say the word again after me. Hurt. Look at the letters in the word. Spell it with me. H-U-R-T. In hurt, the letters U-R stand for the sounds Blend with me. Hurt. Now skywrite the word hurt. H-U-R-T. Now try to write it without looking. H-U-R-T. Your next word is shall. Say the word shall. Where shall we go on our trip? Say the word again after me. Shall. Look at the letters in the word. Spell it with me. S-H-A-L-L. In shall, the letters SH stand for the sound sh. The letter A stands for the short A sound, ah. Blend the word with me. Sh-a-ul. Shall. Now skywrite the word shall. S-H-A-L-L. Try to write it without looking. S-H-A-L-L. The next word is should. Say the word should. We should think before we speak. Say the word again after me. Should. Look at the letters in the word. Spell it with me. S-H-O-U-L-D. In should, the letters S-H stand for the sound sh. The letters O-U stand for the sound and the letter L is silent. Blend with me. Sh-d. Should. Now skywrite the word should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Try to write it without looking. S-H-O-U-L-D. Our last word is things. Read the word things. We have many things to do today. Say the word again after me. Things. Look at the letters in the word. Spell it with me. T-H-I-N-G-S. In things, the letters TH stand for the sound th. The letter I stands for the short I sound I. The letters NG stand for the sound ng. And the letter S stands for the sound z. Blend the word with me. Th, I, ng, z. Things. Now skywrite the word things. T-H-I-N-G-S. Close your eyes and try to write it without looking. T-H-I-N-G-S. Very good. Now let's read all the new words we learned together, starting with the first line. Ready? Always, began, better, gives, hurt, shall, should, things. Now let's play with the sounds and words. So remember that we can blend sounds to say words. Today, I will say each sound in a word, and you will need to guess what the word is. Each tile on the screen stands for a sound in a word. Listen as I do the first one. A. Now listen as I blend the sounds. A. What word did I say? May. Very good. Now you try the second one. A. What's the word? Make. Very good. Now let's keep going. If I say a sounds, you say the word, and then if there's a picture, point to the picture. Ready? K-at. K-ate. T-a-n. P-e. P-each. B-er-a-sh. Er-a-sh. B-e-ch. D. Very good job guessing those words. Now we're going to practice our long vowel sounds. Acorn begins with the long A vowel sound, A. The A vowel sound can be anywhere in a word. You know that the sounds for vowels have different spellings. One spelling for the long A vowel sound is the vowel A, followed by a consonant and a silent E. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the acorn. Vowel A, underline, silent E. The underline is a space for a consonant letter. So look at the word tape. The word tape has a vowel followed by a consonant and a silent E. The final E is silent, but it lets us know that the first vowel says its name. It stands for a long vowel sound. So if the E is silent, what does the A say? A. That's right. It says its name. So let's sound out this word. A. Tape. The E is silent. We don't hear the E. Let's read some more words. Look at the word at the top. Same. Say it with me. Same. The word same has a vowel followed by a consonant, M, and a silent E. The final E is silent, but it lets us know that the first vowel stands for the long A sound. A, as in same. What would the word be if I took away the silent E? So if I covered up the silent E, I would have the word Sam. A would say its short sound. A vowel followed by a consonant usually says its short sound. Okay, so now let's look at the next word. Plain. There is an A followed by a consonant followed by a silent E. The silent E lets us know the A says its name. So what sound does this A make? A, that's correct. Let's sound out the word together. P-L-A-N. Plain. The E is silent. But what if I took away the silent E? Now what sound would the A make? Ah. The sound would be ah. P-L-A-N. Plan. When you add the silent E, it changes the vowel to say its name. Got it? Now we're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first letter is C. K. Let's slide over the next letter in line 2. Remember that the final E is silent, but it tells us that the first vowel has the long sound. Let's blend the two sounds. K, A, K. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. K, N. Read it with me. Cane. Very good. Now we are going to practice writing a capital A, capital M, and a capital N. So pause the video and get your journals. Look at the letters on the screen. Uppercase A, uppercase M, and uppercase N. To write an A, you start on the top line. You slant down to the left, lift your pencil, and slant down to the right. Then you're going to cross on the middle line. That A is a little fat, so I have to practice again. 10 uppercase A's with finger spaces between them. Then the next letter you're going to write is an uppercase M. Start on the top line and pull down. Then you're going to slant right, slant left,